judiciary will take its course. Whatever it is there, I will decide.
A criminal case has been registered against 2023 batch IAS probationary officer Pooja Khedkar for misrepresenting and falsifying facts. Pooja allegedly faked disability certificates, OBC certificates, and her age to clear her exams, manipulated her identity to appear for civil service exams multiple times, exceeding permissible attempts. Turns out, she misused her position. Turns out, she put pressure on a cop until her cover was blown. The probe against her tumbled more skeletons from the cupboard of the Khedkar family. The curious case of Pooja Khedkar, explained in 5 points. On 19 July, the UPSC issued a show cause notice to Khedkar, cancelling her candidature for the 2022 examination. This 3 days after Mussoorie-based Lal Bahadur Shastri Academy recalled Pooja, saying, Pooja was assigned as an assistant collector at the Pune District Collectorate on probation in June 2024. In July, Collector Divase alleged that Pooja had unrealistic expectations because she was an IAS and she sought special privileges which were not allowed to an IAS probationary officer. She installed a red-blue beacon, VIP number plate, Maharashtra government board on her private Audi car. On July 14, Pune police seized the car registered under the name of a private engineering company. It had 21 unpaid challans.
ऑडी गाड़ी उसके ऊपर कुछ तो 27,400 का फाइन पेंडिंग था, वो उन्होंने मेरे ख्याल से भर दिया है निगड़ी वातों की में। तो बाद में कल रात को 3 बजे एक ड्राइवर आया था, उसने गाड़ी यहाँ पे आके छोड़ा है।
Pooja allegedly occupied the antechamber of Additional Collector Ajay More without permission, removed office furniture, requested unauthorized facilities. When asked to vacate More's chamber, Divase alleged Pooja's father threatened a Tehsildar for troubling her. She was transferred by the Maharashtra government to Washim from Pune, and a single-member committee was formed to probe her case. Pooja's high-handedness opened a Pandora's box. When appearing for UPSC exams, Pooja claimed she belonged to the OBC non-creamy layer, that is restricted an annual parental income of Rs 8 lakh. But Pooja's father Dilip Khedkar, who recently contested the 2024 Lok Sabha elections from Maharashtra, had declared property worth Rs 40 crore.
I will give it to the committee, the authorized committee of the government. I will give it to the committee and I will answer them, and जो भी होगा मैं committee को submit करूँगी.
Pooja allegedly submitted fake disability certificates to clear civil services exam. In April 2022, citing COVID-19 infection, she did not comply when asked to visit AIIMS Delhi for verification of her disability certification. She failed to appear multiple times between April to October 2022, despite having qualified for IAS in the persons with benchmark disabilities category. She submitted an MRI report from a private hospital to back her claim, which the UPSC rejected. Her certificates were later accepted, confirming her IAS appointment. In August 2022, Pooja obtained a partial locomotor disability certificate from Yashwantrao Chavan Memorial Hospital in Pimpri.
At the end of the assessment, it was found that she is having 7% locomotor disability pertaining to her knee joint incapacitation. So that was issued on 24th of August. 7% disability itself doesn't count anywhere. Benchmark disability is 40%.
Previously, Pooja had submitted certificates from Ahmednagar District Hospital indicating low vision and mental depression in the persons with benchmark disabilities category. The Commissioner for Persons with Disability has asked the police to verify the authenticity of Pooja's certificates.
That will be public, that will be open to scrutiny, and that time obviously everybody will know. But right now I do not have the right to tell you anything about whatever investigation is going on.
Pooja's application forms to Central Appellate Tribunal seeking a relaxation of the upper age limit for disabled employees shows discrepancies too. She aged only 1 year while seeking this relaxation in 2020 and 2023. She even used 2 different names on the 2 application forms.
ये जो टेक्निकल चीज़ें हैं जो आप मुझे पूछ रहे हैं, उन्होंने इसीलिए एक एक्सपर्ट कमेटी इस्टेब्लिश की है, और जो भी इसके टेक्निकल डिटेल्स है और जो भी मेरा सबमिशन है, आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव दैट.
Pooja allegedly asked a DCP ranked officer to release a man held in a theft case at Panvel police station. The Navi Mumbai police reported the incident to the Maharashtra government, but it has not been confirmed if it was Pooja on the phone call. And the accused was not released.
See, our Indian constitution is based on the fact that innocent until proven guilty. So, by media trial, proving me guilty is actually wrong on everybody's part. So, this is a basic right of everybody. Every person, you also know, any person who is considered guilty in our system is innocent until he is proven guilty. And you can say it has been alleged, but this proving me guilty like this, I do not think that is correct. So whatever my submission is, I will give it in front of the committee and the truth will come.
On July 13, Pune Rural Police registered an FIR against Pooja's parents after an old video of her mother brandishing a gun went viral. The video, reportedly shot in June 2023, shows Pooja's mother Manorama Khedkar wielding a firearm, engaging in a heated argument, yelling at a man. Accompanied by bouncers, Manorama, a former panchayat in their native village, is seen walking up to the man and waving the gun in his face, reportedly in connection with the land parcel bought by Pooja's father in Pune's Mulshi Tehsil. Locals claim Khedkars encroached on the land of neighbouring farmers. Manorama was arrested on July 18. Pooja's father Dilip, a retired Maharashtra government officer, was suspended twice in 2018 and 2020 on corruption charges. Pune Anti-Corruption Bureau has also initiated a probe against him after a complaint that his assets were disproportionate to his income. He is still on the run. Pooja has now lodged a complaint of harassment against Devase, and the centre has formed a panel to probe her candidature and asked the panel to submit its report in 2 weeks.